Explain regarding headache, sakit kepala.
Headache.
Okay.
Okay, I would like to tell you about headache. Sometimes after break the fast, I headache. Maybe I not enough break, and then I must take enough after pray Maghrib, and
Oh.
I bring medicines.
Okay, so you take medicine, you drink medicine. Okay, very good. So usually, what happen? Why you feel headache? What happen is that because you not enough take rest,
Yes, sir.
and there is another thing because you why?
Maybe I work
Because lot of job.